Hi everyone, welcome back to our Koso Kitchen. My name is Eriko. I'm a holistic nutritionist. It's that time of the year again, pumpkin season. Today I'm going to show you how to make postbiotic pumpkin chia pudding. Before introducing the recipe, let me talk about the health benefits of pumpkin. Did you know pumpkin offers many health benefits? Pumpkin is packed with essential vitamins, minerals, beta-carotene, vitamin C, vitamin E, potassium, and dietary fiber. Beta-carotene in pumpkin is a strong antioxidant, which can help protect cells from damage caused by free radicals. This may reduce the risk of chronic diseases and support overall health. Beta-carotene is converted into vitamin A in our body. It helps maintain healthy vision and support the immune system. Pumpkin is low in calories but high in fiber content. Food rich in fiber can help you feel fuller longer, which can aid in weight management by reducing overall calorie intake. It can also aid in digestion and promote healthy gut. The vitamins in pumpkin, especially vitamin C and vitamin E, promote healthy skin by supporting collagen production and protecting the skin from the UV damage. Now, you like pumpkin even more. Making this postbiotic pumpkin chia pudding is so easy as always. I'm making 2 layers, chia yogurt layer and pumpkin layer. To create the chia yogurt mix, combine half cup of yogurt, 1 tablespoon of nut butter, 1 tablespoon of Ars Koso Original, or 2 teaspoons of Ars Koso lower sugar, and 1 tablespoon of chia seed. Stir to combine. Next, combine half cup of pumpkin puree, 1 tablespoon of maple syrup, half teaspoon of cinnamon, or pumpkin spice in a different container to make the pumpkin layer. Add the chia yogurt mix to a glass or mason jar, then add the pumpkin mix to the top of the chia yogurt mix. Repeat until the glass is full. Store in the fridge for at least 2 hours. Feel free to add some nuts and seeds, granola, or chocolate chips. Hope you liked the recipe. Thank you for watching. See you again soon.